What you think? Good pick? What's happening, Tube? Happy Monday. Happy MLK Day. Shout out to my frat brother, Martin Luther King. Hey, baby.
Hey.
So we got the day off. So let's just, I don't know, come with us on our day off. We have a very packed agenda of not shit to do today. We finna go work out.
Ben Cam's gonna make me breakfast.
All right, I'm making breakfast.
I'm gonna apply for jobs today.
Yeah, Life of an Unemployed Wife, new episode coming soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then, I don't know, I think we'll play a couple of games today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the best team in the world is playing football today, later tonight. So until then, you know, we'll just get some games in, we'll have some fun, and we're going to not look forward for me having to work tomorrow, so let's go have a great day. Thanks, bye. Oh yeah, silly me, guys. I forgot to tell y'all. So it's cold as brick outside today, and
In Houston.
yeah, you know, they know we in H-Town. I don't know if y'all can see it well, but got a little flurry going on.
It's freezing.
You can't really see this shit, but it's coming. It just started. I think it's gonna get a little crazier later today. Yeah, you see it a little bit.
It feels like a winter wonderland. Cute.
All right, so we just on our way upstairs to go to the gym. Boy, somebody sat there right here on this step yesterday and drank as much of this little Taylor Port as they could. Boy, I ain't lying. They must have had a tough day.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
Okay, so boom, we back from our games. You know what I'm saying? We made it work. We did about, what, 45 minutes, 50 minutes today?
Mm-hmm.
That's the face of fresh ass whooping on Peloton. Yeah, so gonna make a quick little breakfast and then let's enjoy the rest of our day. Bam!
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Till we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, even last but not to get the stove. No way, love one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion, what's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fucked Sherane and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all that nighttime rhyming, you bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, you bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, you bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, you bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue. Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. $8 might the niggas that you gang with. That's just how
It's kickoff. You know the vibes. Eagles is playing, babe. Every time the Eagles score, we taking a shot. You down? Let's go.
Ooh. Hey, beautiful people. I know my hair looks crazy, but I have deep conditioning, you know, to look because my hair is just naturally super dry. But I'm like have deep conditioner that I'm gonna marinate till tomorrow probably. I'll probably put more in before I go to sleep and actually braid it up. I just had this hairstyle because we filmed today a video for you guys. But right now I'm about to go and make us dinner. So I just came in, you know, our room real quick to grab my phone so I can watch a show. I like to watch my little shows while I cook. And then this is gonna be while Cam is watching the game, which I think he already checked in with you guys about. Let's go in here. He's tapped in. I wanted to show y'all our puzzle we did last night. Isn't it so cute? So cute. So we did that last night together because I'm a puzzler. I like doing puzzles, you know. But I'm gonna show you guys what we're making for dinner tonight. It's called, I think I got it from, you know who I got it from? Oh Lord, hold on. I got it from Snooki from the Jersey Shore. I cannot put the thing on the tripod. Hold on a second. I got the recipe from Snooki from the Jersey Shore. She was on YouTube with like her best friend, and it was like making it was like such a cute little show. I was watching, I was tapped in a little bit, but I don't think they do it anymore. But basically, they was doing like all these like little, like not necessarily keto, but like little Italian dishes, I guess. And they had made this chicken bruschetta, so that's where I got it from. And once I made it for Cam, we just stick it beside it. He loved it, so that's what we're gonna make tonight. Probably with some green beans for a little side, or broccoli. I think I'm gonna do broccoli. I think Cam wants broccoli, so we're gonna make that for dinner this Monday, Martin Luther King Day. And yeah, stay tuned because I'll show you what I'm doing here and there. Just let's get to cooking.
The world, I'ma walk in direction. Speed without a thought, we doing reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him. Fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. If I'm crazy, now think about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played it cool, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long. Love when I call, all the other niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. Left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Stay fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head if I had patience. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her mom when she want it. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. I'ma walk in direction. Speed without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is.
you off, then your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all.
Okay, first pause on my show. The Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. Press and pause. I just finished cooking and I plated Cameron's food as you just saw. So let's serve the king of the house his plate. It's really hot. I just took it off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looks great.
Here's a napkin.
Eagles are playing terribly.
What's the update, babe?
It's 3-13,
Oh, damn.
and we ain't looking hot.
So you ain't gonna touch down at all?
I'll take it.
Oh no!
This meal make me feel better though.
That's good, baby. Let me know if you need anything. So I didn't make. We didn't have enough broccoli. I don't know why I thought I had. It looked a little burnt. It's good though, I promise. It's good broccoli. When I signed up for this wife job, cooking wasn't part of my qualifications. I'm just gonna say that. I can do it. Might be like a C plus B at most. C plus B at most when it comes to cooking. But it's whatever. But I think I'm gonna make me maybe like a little salad because we have a lot of this left over. So this is a little concoction I'm putting on top of the chicken. But we have spinach in the fridge. I think I'm gonna just make like a little spinach size salad and then make a little chicken bruschetta for me. But that's basically it. It's 8 o'clock now, so I don't know. It's not even halftime with the Eagles, so I guess we'll see what happens with that. You know, check in on that. I'm gonna eat real quick. Yeah, and that's what we've been doing so far on our cold snow day. It didn't really snow out here though, like I saw earlier, but yeah, we're just vibing. So let me eat and then I'll check in when I go and hang out with him to watch the game. We got a touchdown, people.
Let's go, baby. We back in the game now.
It's the first touchdown of the game.
Bro, I feel like this been the first touchdown in like the past month.
Oh, really?
Not in particular, but it's just been frustrating. They ain't been doing right by the squad, bro. Hey, but we scoring. We in this game. It's playoff time. Let's go. Take a shot.
Take a shot.
Take a shot. So recap on the day. The Eagles suck. We're out the playoffs. Pretty shitty game, you know. Could spend more attention with my wife today. But fuck it. We had a great day today. We had a good breakfast, had some good dinner, we had a good little workout today, played a little game today. So it was a fun day, fun little off day, you know. Got to play hooky from work. Thanks to my boy MLK. One thing that we probably could have did, that we should have did, was probably, you know, take some time to kind of like reflect on like who we are today based off some of the things that MLK did, you know, back then, yada yada. You know, we could have did that, and so maybe that'd be something that we focus on more next time or next year, or even just moving forward. But I think my message for today is enjoy the small times, enjoy the fun that you have, because You don't know what tomorrow has to lead, you know? So, all in all, great day. And boom. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.
Me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.